it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. So today is actually going to be a Dia&Co unboxing. I just spent the weekend at Ipsy Gen Beauty and I do have like thoughts. Really, both of you are here right now? Oh my goodness. Hello, honeys. Right now they're both here. Oh my god, this is weird. Yeah. So I'm going to be making a video on that, and over there you'll see that, really, Pepper, really? All the things I got, and I posted some on Instagram, and yeah, that's probably going to film them tomorrow, because I'm just kind of giving my face a rest. It was hot, it was crowded, I was sweating, it was makeup, and it's just kind of like, need a day off. And also I do need to do my Dia&Co today because I need to. I didn't do it this weekend because I was gone. Really, Pepper? Oh my goodness. Really? Now is the time? As soon as I start filming, now is the time. Hello. Now is the time for you both to be here. Oh my god, I really need to brush you guys, both of you. Yes. Look at us, such a happy family. Yeah, okay. Well, this is not where I expected this to go. Can you, Pepper, be polite to the camera? Don't, that's gross. Don't sniff your sister's butt. Can I open the box? You're standing on the box. I need to open the box. Ginger, you need to get off the box. Can you go that way? Thank you. No, but I need to get the scissors now. And now I can't get the scissors. Oh, yeah, haha. Okay. Anyway, if you're unaware at this stage of the game, Dia&Co is a monthly clothing subscription service. It's $20 a box. I guess it's monthly, but like you can have it come as soon as possible, which is like every 3 weeks. I did that once on accident. But every box is $20 and they send you 5 things. You get like 5 clothing items. Sometimes you get accessories or whatnot, and you get, oh my gosh, I have like weird hiccups. You get a little letter telling you how they want you to use them, and then the receipt of how much they cost and what they are. And then of course you get a little bag to send the rejects back in, and then everything comes like all cutely packaged up. We're gonna toss that over there for a second, and we're gonna look at the little letter. So I was styled by Hillary. Really? Wow, ma'am. Wow. Why? Really? What is this? Like, why? Why right now? This whole morning you were ignoring me, and now, oh my god. Anyway, the receipt, let's see, I've got, a clutch. So sometimes you get like 4 clothing items and like a purse or a necklace or something. So I have a clutch for $49. We'll have to see. City Chic Lexington embroidered dress, black and red, medium for $85. We'll have to see. I'll see for all of them because I have no idea what they look like. Mary Sky Amira 3/4 sleeve hardware shark bite top. Wow, sounds interesting. In mauve in 2X for $49. Might be too big. Daniel Rain Amelia Solid black short sleeve blouse, light blue and red, 2X for $69. Again, might be too big. I don't know. Nanette Lepore. It's lowercase and then capitals. Palma Capri black and white 18 for $65. So the total is $317, and if you buy anything you get that styling fee back, so $20, and then if you buy everything you get 25% off, which is another $79.25. So if I buy everything, I'll save just under $100, because then it'll be $217.75 if I buy everything. So, you know, like, if you believe their retail prices, Pepper, the box is not for you to step on. No, it's not. Oh my god, like seriously. Maybe they're mad at me because I was like gone through the day yesterday and Saturday, but it wasn't that late. Sorry, that was probably loud, wasn't it? Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back in the first thing, which I think is this Mary Sky Amira 3/4 sleeve hardware shark bite top in mauve and 2X for $49. It actually fits pretty well. I can see Pepper over there kind of maybe can you? She's like, now she's annoyed with me. But I actually kind of like this. Let me stand up. So it's longer, and I am just wearing like pajama shorts, but yeah, I actually kind of like this. I don't get why it's called shark bite. I don't know, but is it this? Is that the shark bite? Tell me. But I actually think if I have the bra where it should go, I actually think I kind of like this, and I think I might keep this one. I'm not so sure about the color being perfect for spring. Now there's like a cat hair. Ginger, no. 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 I'm not, I mean, I guess the color is kind of summery. I like it. I think it's more fall-ish, but I think I'll actually, hey, no. I think I'll actually get like a lot of use out of this shirt. Like it's fun, it's light, it's a little clingy, but not too clingy. I think I'll actually wear this a lot for work. Like, I like it. Okay, now this shirt is the Daniel Rain Amelia solid back short sleeve blouse, light red and blue, size 2X for $69. And I actually really like this one too. Like, that's the solid back, and it's really nice, comfortable, stretchy material. And then here's like the sleeves, and they're split like this, so it's almost a flutter sleeve, but it's not really like a full-on flutter sleeve. And I kind of like this one too. Wow, this is very happy considering last month was not like the happiest of boxes. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I think I might keep this one too. Wow. Okay, let's try on more. You guys, we're a little bit on a roll today. And I kind of wish I had put a face on, so whatever. This is the City Chic Lexington embroidered dress, black and red, size medium for $85. And I like this one too. Like, it only has this part as an embroidery, and of course, on camera, at least what I'm seeing, it's very starkly different because it is a black dress. But like, look at this. And in person, this doesn't look like, when I look in the mirror, this doesn't look so shocking. I like this. And I was thinking to myself, like, where would I wear this? And I'm like, was that a hangy strap? Okay. I'm like, I could wear it anywhere. Like, I did recently throw out my pair of black flats because I had worn them through, but like, I only get them from Target. I don't get expensive flats. So I'm like, I just need to get another pair of black flats, and like, boom, or a color, like, could pull from these. I could do a green or a pink. I do need to give my Toms a wash. I could even wear Toms with this. But like, I could wear any shoe with this. I could wear any bag with this, and I could wear it to work. I could wear it to the grocery store. I could wear it anywhere. I actually really like this dress. It doesn't have pockets. It's the only thing that would make it better. But I like the sleeve length. It's not too long. It does have a band here, but I kind of like that because it keeps this. It's hard to see, I know. But like, there's room here. It is a little billowy. That's the word I'm looking for. A little bit. But like, this keeps it from getting too much or too loose. And Hillary, we are on a roll today. Like, I think I'm gonna keep this dress too. What? Okay, so before we get to the last piece, this is the Vivi Clutch color tan. Of course, one size for $49. I don't know, I don't need another clutch. I don't really use clutches. But if I like the last one, oh, and it has two straps and they match, so it has you can hook them on the other side and do it over the shoulder, or it's just got like a wristlet thing. This is a big clutch though, but be realistic, Caitlin, would I actually use this? I don't know, like, look how it's textured, it's like bumpy, but like I don't, like, I kind of want to keep it because price wise it would make it better, and I could potentially gift this, but I don't know, because if you buy everything, you save that like $80, and this is less of that. Like, I basically, if I buy everything, I basically get it for free. But I have to like the last thing too. I like that it has both straps and there's plenty of space in here, but again, you don't have to fill it up. But I could easily put my things in here and like go out. And then it's got this cute little decal here, and it's got hidden little D-rings, and it's even got a little tag with its stuff. And aha, see here on the tag it calls the color camel, not tan. I'm like, yeah, more of a camel than a tan, I say. And I like, this is just unique. Like, this is just something different, and I don't really wear clutches, but like, you know what? I might make myself, like, this would be cute. I know it's brown and black, but like, whatever. This would be cute. Right? Right? Slap this on. Nope, get on there, get on there. Okay, it's a little big for that, but like, I like the bag too. It's unique. I don't have anything quite like this. I know I do like smaller bags, but honestly, this is, for as like wide as it is and like big as it is, I've been working really good on not putting a lot of stuff in here. I kind of like this bag too. Okay, hold on. Bag is a maybe. Let's put the bag down over here. Bag is a maybe, but I really like everything else. You guys, this never happens. Okay, now it has happened like once before, but like, Hillary, I think I'm gonna request you next month because I like your stuff. Okay, one more thing to try on and let's do it. Okay, so we're down to the last thing, and it is the Nanette Lepore Palma Capri Black and White, size 18 for $65. I think this is something I'm not getting. Here. So they're the right length and they're a little polka dot, and they're stretchy slide-on pants. But these are exactly like other pairs of pants that I just got rid of because I never wore them. Like, I got them and I liked them for a while, and then I just never wore them, and I don't know, they're straight leg, but they're like a wide straight leg. They're not just like leg width straight leg, you know? Not really my style. Okay, so I'm not getting these pants. I actually use this. I don't, it's pretty, but I'm trying to be, cat hairs. I'm trying to be a conscious consumer. As cute as this is, I don't know. Like, it's really cute. It's really interesting. Nah. The more I look at it, the more I don't really like this texture. I don't think I'm gonna get this. As cool as this bag is, like, it's a good size, it's a good shape. I like the color, just the bumpiness of it. I don't know. This is how much? 50 bucks. If I were to go out and buy this right now, would I actually want to spend 50 bucks on it at the store if I were looking at new purses, which, oh, this goes in here. Oh! The zipper tab has a little shape on here. It goes in here. So you, actually, okay, you can't just pull it. Probably without the plastic, it's a little harder to do, but like, so it's kept more secure. Okay, I see that. I like that. That's a cool thing, but $50. If I were at the store and I saw this, would I even pick it up, let alone consider purchasing it? When I pick it up, would I actually take this to the register and buy it for $50? No, I'm gonna say the answer is no. I feel like, as unique as this is, I don't think I would get enough use out of it. I don't really change up my purses, and I have a purse I like for work, and I like it because I can't put a lot of things in it, and I have other clutches and I like never use them, so it doesn't make sense to add this in. So I put those pants, well, I'm still wearing them. Okay, as nice as the pants are, again, I wouldn't be wearing them very often. If ever, they'd be my emergency pants, and I don't want emergency pants, so. Okay, but I am getting the 2 shirts and the dress. I'm getting the embroidered dress for sure, and I'm gonna get this top, which I didn't think I would like, but I'm getting this top. And I'm gonna get this top too. It's a different color than anything I have. I think it's a bit more muted, but it's a bit more fall, but I could totally wear it now too. But I think I'm gonna get this as well, and I'm not gonna get the pants or the clutch. As unique as it is, it's just not quite me, and I have other purses and other clutches that like I don't use as often as I should anyway, so why add one more thing? Yeah, I think I'm happy with those 3 things, and I'm going to pack these other 2 things up and send them back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this a little bit, got to see what I'm getting. I hope you guys like your Dia&Co boxes if you get them. If you're curious, you can go down there. I always have it in there, and if you click it, it should still be the link where like you get a free box to try it out for a month. So if it's free, it can't hurt to try, right? And you know what? Have a good day, have a good week, have a good life, and as always, go pet a cat. Bye!